All right, here we go. We're gonna start assembling our parts, right, Em?
Yep.
What do you think we're gonna make today?
We should probably start here. Here, let's have some options.
Okay.
You guys pick. Do you want to build a racetrack or a race car?
Well, I think we should try a race car.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay. Is it recording? Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
So first we need our tires.
We have a bunch of tires. You have. Okay, that's a big tire. We have lots of little tires. Oh, this would be a good place to. This is a good tire set too, because that matches that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So take that off.
Okay.
Should we use this for something?
Yeah, because then if the car needs to be towed off the track, so this will be the front and that'll be the back. Okay. All right. So now we need to figure out the body.
I think it should be like this.
Okay.
Do you remember that motorcycle we saw yesterday?
Yeah.
Wait, what color was it?
Was it orange or black?
It was orange.
Orange.
So
Okay.
I'm guessing we should make it like this bright red color.
Okay.
And with black stripes, if we could do that.
We can do that. Okay, so we need a bright red. So do you want it to be like this?
Oh wait, we could put these around the tires.
Yeah. So do you want this to be the bottom? Like this?
Yeah. So.
Okay. So we want to take this part. No, this part can't come off. So this part has to go on here. But this brown part doesn't work in. Oh yeah, it does.
Here, how about we each work on something? You work on the race car, I work on the racetrack.
Okay.
I mean, can I work on a ramp?
Sure.
Oh, this is golden.
Are you guys seeing this? Well, you'll be seeing it when we post it on.
Oh wait, we can put the
Em, this isn't wide enough. I need to get another piece like
Wait,
this.
the chicken leg we can put in this. Z.
Yeah.
Z, for this car, we can put the chicken leg in this box, or right here.
Okay.
Where do you want to put it, in this box or right here?
I want to put it in that box. Well, I'll put it in that box. Emma, I need another piece like this. Oh, this piece is like this too, but it doesn't have axles. Where do the axles come from?
We don't need that.
Yeah, I need the gray piece like this with axles. Do we have any more of those?
Wait, what? What do we need?
Or actually, I could do it like this. Hang on.
As you can hear, that's the fire thingy. Here's a snake. Look, bathroom people.
Here we go.
People with bathrooms.
Okay. Let's see if this will work now. Will this work?
Yeah, Javi, John Cena, Yalla Yalla.
Oh, put this on backwards.
I'm driving. Zam, 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 zam. How much views do you think we're gonna get, Z?
I don't know.
Because if the more longer it takes, the more views we get.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, here's toilet paper. Here's the toilet paper I found.
Oh, good.
Yeah. I'm gonna go over here.
What are you doing over there?
I'm laying down.
You're laying down. Em's taking a nap, so I'm going to pause the video.
No.
Come on over here, Em. Look at how I did this.
Whoa. Whoa, that's so cool.
See how it tilts a little bit?
Yeah, that's so cool.
Huh?
So cool.
So now we're gonna. Now what else did we want to put on? For the sides for the body.
Wait. This can be like the cover right there.
Oh, the windshield?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, we need a litter. Oh, like this. I found the
This is too big. This windshield.
Okay,
too big.
I found another one. We just need a few of them. Oh, is this it? Here, I found 2 of these pieces.
Z had to take a pause for
Yes. 2.
for his iced coffee from Dunkin'.
Where? Which side should I put this on? Right here.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's good. That's perfect.
That,
Perfect. Okay.
Wait. Can you find any more of these pieces?
Let's see.
Or these? So it could be these parts.
Oh, okay. Hang on. I got you.
The windows. Wait, no. All we just need a clear one like this.
No, that doesn't work. Does this work?
No.
No.
Wait, they don't really have
The side window?
Oh wait, here it is. Here's a good piece. So
You got it?
that right there. We need one more piece of this and we're good.
One more piece of...
This.
I thought I just saw one.
Yeah, you did.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Done. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. But is there... Can we get 2 more of those? For that, so the both sides are clear? Or do you want to have one side smoke?
1, 2 clear.
I don't know if there are any more clear.
Yeah, there's the only other clear one.
Or is there another smoke one?
The smoke one is actually kind of the real race car color. Oh, well, this is cool for a guy. It's so cute.
That's very cool. So we also need to find a guy, right?
Ooh, I found another one. And I found this one.
Oh, you're finding lots of stuff. So we need a guy.
Oh wait, no, I have a better thing.
What's that?
Put these like it. I need 3 more of these. I need 7 more of these.
7 more of those? What,
Yeah.
Let's see what it is.
7 more. I have a good idea what we could do with it. Oh, 1. Now make that 6 more.
Ah,
Oh, you found one.
I found one.
Yes. So that's 4. That makes it 3 more.
See, M is doing so good in math that he can tell me by subtracting how many more pieces of something we need.
We just need 3 more.
Oh, wait a second. That's not one. Okay,
Is that it?
that's not one.
Oh, wait.
Do you have one? There's lots of these little ones.
I know. Well, I do know where more are, but
Here's one.
another one. Yay! So that is 2 more.
And I don't think there are any more.
Oh, I got a good idea. So,
Okay, M's got a good idea. Changing the plan. When we design and build, we change the plans as we go, if need be. We are very flexible builders. I'm going to go turn the air on a little more, Em. I'll be back.
Yeah.
Because it is getting warm up here.
Yeah.
You keep going. I'll be back. I'll be right over here. I'll be back in 1 second.
Bye. So I'm just doing that part and where is that part? Here it is. So I'm gonna take the 2 of these off. I can't take this one off. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this. Oh, we need one more for my good idea. Huh. I'll be right back. Let's see.
You okay? Yeah, where is it?
Right on your back.
Oh, I found a knife.
Is it here?
Okay.
I found a
What are
knife.
you doing?
Z.
I'm putting real makeup on.
Oh.
Z, I found a
Where do
knife.
you do that? Upstairs?
Yeah, and my vanity.
Z, I found a knife.
Okay. Oh, cool. Okay.
I'm so excited to see Daddy. Because I love Daddy.
Of course you do. He's
I
your,
love my Daddy.
you do that.
That's so small.
Where's Bubbles?
In the bathroom down there.
Oh, okay. Maybe Bubbles has it.
What did I add that on?
Okay, does your mommy know you're doing real makeup?
Yep.
Okay. If you need something, come get me, okay?
Okay.
So my good idea failed. So I need 2 more of those pieces. I was gonna do that and then put 2 more right here.
Well, what you can do, hang on. It's not a fail. This is what I would do.
Oh, brown one. We just need another brown one.
How many more orange ones do you need? One more?
No, 2 more.
Well, you have one right here.
Yeah, so, oh, that one? Yeah. So,
Okay, put that one right there.
oh yeah, I have this brown one, so with that, should I put this brown one?
Well, why don't we put a different color in the back?
Okay, a brighter color. But I'm not sure there are any more of those ones.
Well, why don't we do this, Em? Why don't we do
Oh, I found a green bucket.
Okay, hang on. Why don't we do this? Give it 1 second here. Okay. Where's your orange one?
Right here. Here
Is there one more orange one or no more orange ones?
There's no more.
Okay, here
Only
we go.
one.
Gotcha.
There's 7. There's 6 of them right now. Wait, 5.
Okay, are there...
Oh, another knife. I found 2 knives.
Whoops, what happened here?
Wait, I got it.
Did you fix it?
No, let me just do this. Do that, and then we just need 1 more.
Okay, but I was gonna do this. Let's get something. Do you have another one of these or another one of these?
That and
What, honey?
Can you help me go to the window? Because
What, honey?
We're gonna leave. Can you come to the window to say goodbye with her?
Oh, sure. Okay, I'll be back in 1 second, Em, okay?
Alright, Bugs.
'Kay.
Any special requests? We're gonna get hamburgers, hot dogs.
I found a
And
green one.
Okay, I'll be back in 1 second.
And they're getting a special dessert.
Okay.
We're gonna get stuff for you. Root beer floats.
Okay.
Root beer floats.
That's special for your birthday, Emmett.
That's, wow. You know who invented root beer floats, don't you?
You.
No, Mr. Root Beer. Mr. A&W.
So, my sisters, my mom, and my dad are gonna leave. So, and I got this one, and Z's gonna help me with this. If I can find a piece. Found it. Done. So Z, I got your pieces. While we're waiting, I don't know. Just relax and say yalla. Oh, feels good. Okay, I'm back. So my mom's be back in 2 minutes, but oh. Oh, these are good pieces. Z.
I'll be there in a second.
Bye. Bye.
Drive carefully.
Oh, he's driving. Bula safely. Bow. Where's oh, wait, what? Yes, my plan's gonna work, Z.
What, honey?
My plan's gonna work.
Okay, we'll get it.
Yes. No, that's not how I wanted it. I see it. That. And I want a bright color in the back. Orange, I need another orange, yes, with this. Z,
Be there 1 second, guys.
because my plan is gonna work.
Okay, good job. Are you still in camera?
Yeah,
Drive carefully.
but what's your idea?
Okay, let's go take a right the window.
So I have this cash. Whoever guesses how I built this gets a $5 bill.
45 minutes. Quick.
I'll make that 200.
And we'll be there 1 second.
Nah, I won't give you anything. So. I'm just shaking it out in my hot tub. Feels good. Yeah, jabla bo mana manja malala malala manja la la blah 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 bee. Okay, so I'm back. How much minutes are this? 7. Oh my god. Oh my god, this was 18 minutes. Oh, but your body, my god. Yes. Okay, so I need 2 orange pieces.
Okay, wait there for bubbles, and Em and I are going to build, and you're going to do makeup on this.
So, Z, my plan is gonna work.
Good job.
Cause look, I found 2 more.
Oh, good job. Are you still in camera?
Yeah. So I was doing that.
Is the video still running?
Yep. That and I can put 1.
Oh my goodness, that's a long video, Em.
Done.
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh wow, that is really sick. I like the one that's tilted.
Yeah.
So can everybody see the tilt?
No, they can't. I have to go up close with it. The tiltness.
Oh yeah. Tilt the cam. Yeah, there you go. See the tilt that we designed into it, so that the air goes over it really good. Excellent. Okay. Okay, what's next? We need to have a driver.
Yeah. Oh, I found a guy over here. Let's see. Here, you talk to the subscribers. Look for the driver.
Em's looking for a driver. I'm going to help him. And we have 2 guys on this truck. Do you have any more drivers? Any more people?
Yeah, I do. I'll be right back.
Okay. And I think I think we're almost done with this thing. And we have a trailer hitch on
That
the.
one. Z catch.
Oh, Emma's tossing me a driver.
Oh
Wow.
wait, no, I found it. I found one. Want that guy or this guy?
I like this guy.
That guy. Okay. I'll go put that one. Which one do you like better?
Well, this guy's wearing glasses. I like this guy.
Okay.
Okay, and we did a trailer hitch on this
Ooh, look what I found.
in
Ooh,
case it breaks down on the track and we have to re-pull it.
Binoculars.
Oh, binoculars. But when you're driving, you don't need binoculars, do you?
No.
Okay, so where's our car?
green
Where's our car?
buckets.
Oh, here it is.
So, we just thought that we lost our car in the Himalayas.
We lost our car in the Himalayas.
Yeah.
Wow.
And if your name's AJ out there, good.
Okay.
We did
Now,
it.
I think we need one more thing on the back. Is there something we have red that'll fit back here?
Yeah, we do.
I think we need a little color back there.
Could we? Oh, I got a good idea. Like that.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's perfect. Perfect. Okay. Oops. Sorry, guys. So here's M, and here's our new racer.
Yep. Our race car is done.
Wow. So far the projects today.
Is all of that. We did all that. And you can see in our next video, we're going to build a truck or another car. Or we also may build the ramp or racetrack. So, please subscribe and hit that. I don't know. Bye-bye.
This is M and Z signing off.
Yep. Bye-bye.